Greetings to the Smart Kitchen channel. Today, I'm thrilled to present my assessment of the Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum. This particular vacuum has maintained its position as a bestseller for quite some time, and I've been eagerly anticipating the chance to put it through its paces. Let's delve into what sets this vacuum apart and why it's garnered such popularity. The Shark NV360 stands out as a flexible upright vacuum designed for both carpets and hard floors. Featuring a lift-away feature, it allows you to detach the canister for handheld use, facilitating cleaning of furniture, stairs, and inaccessible spots. Its swivel steering mechanism enables easy navigation around furniture and tight corners. Additionally, it arrives with various attachments, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and pet hair upholstery tool. I was thoroughly impressed by the Shark NV360's suction power, effortlessly collecting dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors alike. The convenience of the lift-away function for furniture and stair cleaning was especially noteworthy. Moreover, the NV360 boasts a HEPA filter, adept at trapping dust and allergens, making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. The filter is easily removable and cleanable, with a washable alternative for regular maintenance. This vacuum is remarkably user-friendly, with straightforward controls and a lightweight build that's simple to maneuver. The detachable canister adds to its ease of use, enabling handheld vacuum functionality. Maintenance is a breeze with the Shark NV360. Its dustbin is easily emptied, filters are simple to clean, and it even incorporates a self-cleaning brush roll to prevent hair tangling. Pros: powerful suction, versatile lift-away feature, user-friendly, and maneuverable. Easy maintenance includes a variety of attachments. Cons: can be bulky in confined spaces, slightly louder compared to some other models. In summary, the Shark NV360 Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum has left a profound impression. Its powerful suction, adaptability, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for cleaning diverse surfaces. I highly recommend this vacuum to anyone seeking a high-quality upright cleaner. I hope this review proves beneficial. If you have any queries, please drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in.